When your pet's teeth are not brushed regularly, that promotes the buildup of tartar as well as plaque, and that can lead to odor as well as other bacterial growth, which is really not great to have in the pet's body. So we came up with our natural breath freshener, which was actually featured in a Wall Street Journal. Now this product is incredibly efficient and easy to use, and it's something that I keep handy all the time, especially if I'm having company over and in between regular brushings. So all you do is just take your spray. You want to be very careful not to get into the eyes, of course. So what I like to do is 4 sprays to the mouth per day. And I want to get into the back of the mouth. I want to get to the sides of the teeth. And then maybe just one more to the back so it can smell extra fresh and kissable. Right, Dot? All right. And see, most dogs actually do like the taste. So once you get spraying and they know the taste is going to be good, they'll agree. So Donna, how we smelling? We smelling fresh? Let's see. All right, that smells good.